We had a very wet Sunday, and Monday is a little damp out there too, Ted.
Gray, damp, and unfortunately a little uncomfortable, but it is May. We get days like this every so often. You get storm systems like this almost every year, it seems, or every other year, where it takes 3 or 4 days for a system to move through. Unusually cool, damp weather for a time, but maybe get this out of the way before we get to the holiday weekend. That'd be nice. We've done this before during the holiday weekend. We don't want to do that again, but we had gray skies, periods of very light rain and mist so far. This is time lapse from this morning with our Lewiston Auto camera from the studio. Still a couple spotty showers on radar, but for the most part, that's it. Sprinkles and spots of drizzle going back from Saturday night through Sunday, and in some cases, really this morning. The total is very impressive. Elgin almost 4 inches, 3.99 there. Casson, a lot of these are from viewers actually. Casson total there 3.4 inches. Northeast Rochester 3.1. Bruce from Clear Lake just called in a few minutes ago, 2.5 inches here in Rochester, almost 2.5, 2.48 the official total going back to Saturday evening. So that gives us a surplus. We came into the weekend needing some rain. We were at more than an inch below normal for this month alone. Now for the month of May, we have a 1 inch surplus for the season, a 1 inch surplus. Gray skies right now, 51, and winds 18 miles per hour, every so often reaching 25 to 30 miles per hour with those gusts, adding to the chill. 51 right now, air pressure steady, 29.94 inches of mercury, and a lot of low 50s in the map. This is something we normally see in the morning hours rather than this part of the day for a typical May standards. But again, it's not really strange to have a day like this every so often in spring. It's normal. 55 in Austin, 53 in Plainview, a little warmer in Red Wing there at 61, and 54 in Charles City. Looking at these little sprinkles coming in from the east. Yes, they're rotating up and around that area of low pressure that's positioned near Chicago. So the bulk of the rain well east of us. That's the part of the system we dealt with yesterday. That is now moving out of the east and its northwest periphery. We're getting sprinkles and drizzle, and we'll have that through this evening, even through tonight. Tomorrow we'll be stuck at the clouds, but rain free for our Tuesday. By Wednesday, then we start seeing real progress in the way of sunshine and a warming trend. But high-res future track sprinkles this afternoon until about 4 or 5 o'clock. Then drizzle for the evening. Can't be completely ruled out, at least the possibility of drizzle even beyond those 4 or 5 o'clock sprinkles and showers. But very light activity. In most cases, not even measurable amounts of rain beyond what we have right now for the rest of the day. But raw breeze keeps that feels like temperature down. 56 the high. Winds still in that 15 to 25 mile per range. Topping out in the 50s today. By lunchtime tomorrow, we'll already be this warm, and we'll be even warmer than that in the afternoon, reaching the 60s. Drier, but still gray, so just a little warmer. 50s, you can see what the impact is of the clouds and showers. This is what the coolest readings here under the heart of that area of low pressure, but surrounding it, much warmer readings. 68 in Minot, 68 Dodge City, and even up in International Falls, just shy of 70. Cool and damp today, drying out for the midweek. In fact, tomorrow drier, but still pretty gray, but we start seeing the sun on Wednesday and Thursday, and then a warm up with a couple of storm chances over the weekend, but maybe even a shot at 80. Spots of drizzle today, even through tonight on future track. Then we see the clouds stick around tomorrow, a cool easterly breeze, temperatures tomorrow in the low 60s, and then finally clearing tomorrow night. Sunshine dominates our Wednesday with daytime temperatures in the low 70s, and then mid and upper 70s later this week. A very slow moving storm system brings a chance of late day showers on Friday. Ahead of it, pulling in some of that warmth though, so some showers and drizzle today, then shower and storm chances by late Friday and Saturday, and then Sunday maybe the wettest day of the holiday weekend, but Memorial Day itself looks dry with some 70s, and all those temperatures actually warmer than the seasonal average. So we'll turn things around there as well. Temperatures today mainly in the 50s though. 56 in Rochester, 60 in Austin with drizzle and sprinkles, 57 in Charles City with that brisk northeast breeze at times up to 30 miles per hour. Tonight, 49 with a northeast breeze, and then tomorrow not quite as breezy and drier, but 63, still kind of cool, about 5 or 6 degrees below the seasonal average. From there, though, we jump headlong into the warmer stretch of weather, 70s to low 80s. And again, Memorial Day looking pretty good right now.
Yeah, definitely a warming trend there, Ted. Thank